So you are in you are in the Makecode environment, and you write a program where you perhaps are blinking the colors of the pixels. And we go down to loops and we grab a pause, and we go down and we grab a pause. So you've got it blinking back and forth, red and gold, and you hit download. And so you're like, okay, cool. I'm going to download that to my CPX. And so you come over here and you're in program mode, and you drag your UF2 file, and you're like, sweet, there's my code. All right. But then you say to yourself, but now I want to program in Python. So you say from DCS import star while true set. And I always have to double check. I sort of look at the DCS file and I go, it's all set all pixels to. So I say set all pixels to red, and I pause for 500. And I say set all pixels to blue, and then I pause 500. And maybe you don't like it if I put a space there, so I won't put a space there. And I say, all right, I want to save that, but my CPX, it's not in Python mode. So when I am in Makecode mode, I push the middle reset button once, and it is now ready for me to set it up for Python use. And for me to use it with Python, you can do this in one of several places. We can go from Makecode to CircuitPython. We can go setting up the CPX, and we're going to have to download CircuitPython, and that gives me a UF2 file. And that file needs to be dragged onto cplayboot. All right, and it may start doing whatever your Python code used to be, all right, which is what you can see here. So I now pounded the save button, and it saved main.py onto my CircuitPython Express, and it is going between making all the pixels red and then blue. Now, if I want to go back and then say that I want to go back to my Makecode program, and I want this to blink purple and gold. If you're in Python mode, it's a double click to get back to cplayboot, at which point you are able to drag your Makecode programs onto the CPX. And you can see I've now got my Makecode program running. Over here I could try and hit save, and it says no. But if I now reboot and I drag my Python over, all right, now I'm in Python mode, and I can make this green and blue and hit save, and sure enough it updates. So you really have to, if you switch back and forth between the two languages, you have to pay attention to when do you have to single and double click, and the fact that you have to basically reinstall Python every time you switch back.